So friends, as you all know that my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Why am I shooting this video? Why am I recording this video? Just for you friends, just for so that I can practice along with you and I can improve my fluency, as well as we can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. You can also improve your fluency. You can also become a fluent speaker if you want to become. It depends on you. If you want to become, then please watch this video. If you don't want to become, and if you are already an advanced speaker or native speaker, or even on your intermediate level, then it depends on you. If you want to watch this video, please watch it. You're most welcome. So friends, why am I making this video? Because we all know that I'm a beginner, and maybe I don't know how many of you are beginner. If you are a beginner, then please trust me guys, this video is specially for you. This video is specially for all of us who are just starting their journey to become fluent in English, and just starting their journey to be good at communication skills, and to deal and to articulate their ideas, their feelings, their emotion in an I would say engaging manner and in an interesting manner. So this is what I want to say to you friends. So friends, actually today I don't feel like to record video. Literally friends, I would say I'm extremely tired. Why? Because actually I had a lot of work today, and from the morning itself I was continuously working, and it was just a little bit household chores, that's it, nothing more than that. And after that, I have to little bit study about on what topic I can make videos, on what things I can record a video, and how can I improve myself. So friends, if you want to know the journey, that how I improve my communication skills, how I improve my English as well, I'll give you a detailed video on that. Literally friends, believe me. But the thing is that if you want to improve, if you want to enhance, then only please do let me know. If you don't want to enhance, if you don't want to improve yourself, and even if you're not interested, if you're disinterested, then it's okay, it's fine, I'll accept that. But why am I making these kind of videos? Just for those learners who are extremely serious and who actually wants to improve themselves. For them I am shooting the video. So friends, my I would say my beautiful co-learners, I would say my fantastic learner, I would just say one thing, that please friends, maybe you are following n number of YouTube channel, n number of videos just to improve your communication skills, just to be good at spoken English. How many of you are following different channels and still struggling? Just do let me know in the comment section. Please friends, I'm just requesting you that please let me know in the comment section that Shivani, we are following this YouTube channel, but still unable to improve our communication skills, unable to speak English, unable to improve our spoken English. Please do let me know in the comment section friends. Why am I saying this? I just want an interaction between among us. Literally friend, I'm just bored while recording myself in the front of the camera, and I'm not receiving any kind of comment from your end. What's the use of making videos? Sometimes I feel demotivated. Literally friends, I feel like maybe I should stop recording videos. Maybe I don't know whether you are enjoying the content or not. Maybe if you are not learning anything, so it's just wasting your time, simultaneously it's wasting my time as well, isn't it friend? I don't want this to happen with all of us. Literally friends, trust me. So friends, today actually I'm not going to discuss about any so-called particular topic. Why am I here? Just to do a friendly discussion, just to do a one-on-one discussion. Although I know you are not in front of me, I cannot see you, but you can see me. That's more important to me. You can see me, that's enough, that's it. Because I know if you're watching me, I'm watching you as well. So friends, trust me. So friends, I have this doubt that a lot of you are like a lot of beginner who have just started their journey to become fluent in English. By 2020 itself, just like me, I took this resolution that maybe by the I will not maybe actually, sorry for that. So friends, I have taken this resolution that by 2026 I'll be becoming a fluent speaker. That's it. That's my goal. That's my ultimate long-term goal. What's your goal? Do you want to become the same? Do you want to improve your English, spoken English, or do you want to be a fluent speaker? I'm not talking about like speak like a native speaker, because that's something different. Native speaker comes when you are already an advanced speaker and just want to try different accent. That thing comes later on. But right now we are not that advanced speaker on our advanced level, so I cannot mention that, I cannot say that, I cannot assure you that. But what I can assure you for one thing, that friends, believe me, that if you want to improve your communication skills from zero level, from zero to from the bottom to the higher level, then please believe me guys, this video is especially for you. You're on the right path, you're on the right, I would say, YouTube channel. So please guys, listen to me very carefully, pay all yours and pay all your attention, and just I won't take much of your time, I will just take few minutes, that's it. But if you are a serious co-learner, if you are just a serious learner, and you are extremely engaging, excited and interested about improving your communication skills, believe me guys, trust me, you will gonna do it. No one will going to stop you from your achieving your goal. So let me talk you about what we understand by goals. What do you understand by goal word, right? This is a bit simple word carrying 4 letters in it. GOAL, goal, that's it. But if we talk about the meaning, if we talk about the depth of goal word, it's literally far amazing than we can even imagine. Why, friends? We know that right now, if I talk about my short-term goal, friends, let's talk about myself. I would just taking my example. My short-term goal, like, not just talk about the short-term goal. Maybe you will not understand it right now. I'll explain it to you later. So let's, if I talk about my goal in my life, I just want to be a fluent spoken trainer. What I am saying, spoken trainer, not just a trainee. So I just want to be excellent, a marvelous spoken trainer, so that English spoken trainer, sorry. So that I can teach thousand people just like me, just like all of you, just like whosoever is on their beginner level, I would say, so that they can also improve their communication skills, spoken English, and they can achieve something meaningful in their life. Why, friends? Why am I saying that? We know that there are thousands of I would say trainer out there. There are thousands of teachers who are teaching the same thing to you. But the thing is, the major most important thing, that are we learning from them? Are we literally improving ourselves? Are they literally making sense to us? And do we literally liking their methods, their way of teaching English? Are we literally enjoying? The question is very simple, that are we even enjoying the way they are teaching to us? If yes, then okay, it's pretty much acceptable. But if there is a bit, I would say, any kind of hesitation, or any kind of like you are thinking for a bit, no, maybe I don't think so, I follow this YouTube channel but still unable to frame sentences, still unable to communicate with different people, still unable to not to just frame sentences, but also to hesitate to break the ice. Break the ice means when you start a conversation, from your end, even just for if somebody is stranger to you, or you know that person completely, so that is called break the ice. It's just an idiom, friends. So if you feel the same kind of, I would say the nervousness or the question mark is in to you, then please believe me, friends, this video is specially for you. Why am I recording this video? My purpose is very simple for today's session, that I just want you to start. I just want you to start speaking in English. Friends, why am I saying this? That I have seen a lot of co-learners, even they are on their beginner level like me, but still we know we can read English. Are we able to read English? How many of you can read English? Please let me know in the comment section that Shivani, we read English, yeah, we are good at reading, we can read English, we understand English. And how many of you are unable to read English? Please do let me know that too. This is important for all of us, friends. Please do mention this thing in the comment section. Don't be afraid of anything. Don't feel shy or nervous or anything. Don't carry a huge baggage on your shoulder that, oh no, I will not going to mention this. What if other people laugh on it? What if people will make fun out of me? No, friends. Why you keep thinking about what others will gonna say, how others will gonna judge you? No, this is ridiculous. This is completely not important. Just think about you, na. Just think about ourselves. We want to improve, isn't it? Like right now I'm recording this video, I know maybe I'm making mistakes here and there, maybe the way I'm speaking it's not acceptable, maybe I am too loud, or sometimes I'm too slow, so I don't know about my voice tone. So friends, trust me, I'm not thinking about that what people will gonna say, how people will gonna judge me. I respect the comments, I respect the feedback, I respect like how people treat my videos, how they will gonna I would say see me. But that doesn't mean that I'm completely dependent on what others will gonna say. No, it's about my choice as well, na? Because I want to learn English, I want to improve myself. So if you want the same, please trust me guys, start from today itself, so what I'm what's the main goal for this session, for this video, is that friend, if you want to start your spoken English journey, and if you are unable to find any kind of partner, and suppose if you want to break the ice, literally if you are excited, so I will suggest you some kind of platform by which you can practice and you can speak to different co-learners. But if you are excited, then only I'll tell you that there are certain platforms out there, friends, by which you can practice your spoken English and you can communicate with different co-learners. But the thing is that just be sure of this thing, that are you do you enjoy talking to stranger, or you don't enjoy at all? If you enjoy, then only please download this, otherwise don't do it at all. Suppose if you enjoy and if you want to overcome your fear of speaking English, then please to try this application and must try them. These are like, okay, let me tell you. First one, although I have already told you this in my yesterday video, in my previous video, if you haven't watched that, please go and watch that video as well. Although this is not kind of any kind of like I would say lecture, or I'm teaching you. No friends, I'm just talking to you. This is what I'm just talking to you. I'm just discussing the things with you which is quite important, which are crucial when improving in our spoken journey, in our like I would say becoming fluent in English. This is what important. So friends, like application is that Peer Up nowadays, literally this is one of the amazing applications I have ever used. I'm also on Peer Up. I also speak to so many co-learners. But the thing is that I'm not a regular user over there, because friends, you know that I have to record videos as well, and I have to study for my for the examination. If you want to know what I am studying, I'll tell you. Please let me know in the comment section. And I have so many other work as well, friends. So sometimes I use, otherwise I don't use it at all. But yeah, if you want to improve your spoken English from today itself, start using this application, Peer Up. You can download, you can go to the Play Store and you can download it easily. So Peer Up is there, and then second is Ace Fluency. This is also the finest application that you can use for improving your spoken English and to be good in speaking English. So yeah, Ace Fluency is there, Peer Up is there, Hello Talk is there, and there are so many other. Even nowadays you can practice with AI also by using ChatGPT. So you can do this role play kind of exercise, friends. But the thing is that why am I telling you about these application? Even I can give you the demo, but to be honest with you, friend, you know that I'm just a beginner in recording this kind of videos. I'm not a pro one, I'm not a professional. I don't know even how to show my screen and how to record the video simultaneously. But if you do know this thing, that how can I show you my screen and side by side I can record the video, please do let me know in this comment section, friends. I just want to know, even if you are not following the channel, even if you don't want to subscribe, don't do it, but please tell me the certain tips and tricks so that I can also improve, friends. This is what I want. And one more thing, yeah, if you're excited, then must check out this application and then tell me that how it worked with you. Has it worked with you in a fantabulous manner, and like you didn't like it at all, and maybe you hadn't improved a lot and you were like, no Shivani, we are bit introvert person, we cannot talk to strangers. So please, I'll give you tips for that too. But the thing is that go and please do check it out, these application. Although this is not a promotional kind of video, it's not a paid one, I'm not getting any kind of money from the from those kind of platforms, because I'm just on my beginner level. Friends, I'm using this application, and I had used certain applications so that I can improve my fluency, and I can at least overcome upon my fear of speaking in English. So if you want to do the same, please go and check that those application. And if you have okay friends, actually this time I need to wrap up this discussion, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed it, then please friends, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to your own YouTube channel. Goodbye English. You know, I'm your friend Shivani. I'm always here ready to serve you, friend. Just do let me know, like, whatever thing you're dealing with, please do let me know, Shivani, that this is what we are dealing of, and why this is why I'm unable to speak, and this is the biggest problem, this is the biggest fear that I face whenever I even try to speak in English. I'll let me believe me friends, I'll give you the topmost or the top notch solution to overcome on that problem. Give you, trust me friends, I'll give you. So friends, on this note, I'm going to wrap up this session. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, you know what you have to do. Okay, so friends, take care. Bye bye.